Hi everyone, Vanessa with Agency Shield here. If you are having the problem of the no campaign showing underneath vendor in your performance dashboard, I have the solution for you and why that's happening. So the reason that this is happening is that your agents are going in and creating a lead. They're putting it under a vendor like internet or something else that they shouldn't be putting it under. They're not selecting a campaign ID. And then they're adding that lead, which then creates that no campaign. So in order to stop them from doing that, what you want to show them how to do is when they add a lead, it should either be under other or referral. So we would hit add lead, use our vendor as maybe other. You could check the campaign under other, whatever campaign you want to do. So if you're getting it from some kind of a source that is not a referral, that you would be adding a manual lead in the system. So maybe just customer off the street, something else, you would just put that campaign underneath your other vendor. So that way you know where these leads are coming from. Otherwise, if it's a referral, so maybe it's a client referral or a partner referral, you could put referral and client, and that's your new vendor and campaign for the new lead. So then you would go ahead and enter the lead's information, first name, main phone, email, whatever you have in the system. And when you create this new lead, then it's going to show correctly in your system. So let me show you a little practice one. Alrighty, so then once we have our lead in the system, that's going to show for us right here. So we're going to go back to our lead screen. We see that we have our test lead. Let's see, and it should be showing vendor in here. Let me select by vendor. Oh, I need to refresh, sorry. When in doubt, always refresh, and that should help you out here. So we'll go ahead and do our referral vendor. We should be able to see that in here. So let me clear the filter, referral, right here it is. Okay, so we have our referral vendor lead that we just put into the system. So that's my fake little lead that I created today. And we're going to status this one as, let's say, quoted. Lead is successfully status. Now let me go back to our performance dashboard. So let's look at our vendor now. So we're going to say for today, and we're going to check out our vendor for referral and search. That's going to show our referral, and look at how we have that campaign now. We have our one. We could set the price for that campaign. We have exactly our information. So we have total quotes one. It's not coming in under no campaign. So again, make sure that you train your agents to only use those vendors as either other or referral, and then they can choose the campaign that's underneath one of those vendors. If you needed to choose a campaign that you wanted to add for them when they're adding a manual lead, so find out why they're adding a manual lead, where they're getting that information, then you could go into Manage Vendors and add a campaign. So you would create a campaign under Other, and this would be your campaign that you want to create. So campaign one, whatever the source is for those manual leads, find out why they're entering them under internet or, whatever. If it's maybe that they're actually getting B leads, on the website or something like that. They're getting, leads from a website and then manually adding them into the system. You could just add that campaign in here. So that way when they go in, they'll be able to add that lead using that new campaign, and it's going to save you guys a ton of frustration because you're going to be able to see all your data. Any other performance dashboard issues that you might have if it's showing no campaign, just send us a ticket into support so that they can fix it for you. But going forward, make sure you do it correctly. So now you see our new campaign. That way our agents can add that under anything that they want for that different campaigns, so they'll use whatever campaign they want to, but just make sure only other or referral, those are their only two choices for vendors. Internet leads and call leads, they all post in automatically. They're never a manual post. Thank you so much and have a great day.